Morning, everyone. It's Friday morning, and this is video number 260. It's your pre-opening comment for the markets here at 9 o'clock. Just a reminder, if you like our work, please like us and subscribe to the channel. The futures had a continued big sell-off last night after the close, and so they come into the day with some pretty big fair values. That said, they've gone from up to down to up to down, mostly in the $50 to $60 range on both sides, but we're beginning to sell off a little here with the Dow futures the Dow actually expected to open down about 86, the S&P about $2 to $4, and the Nasdaq, which has gotten hurt a bunch this week, is actually expected up $48. The FANG stocks, as I say, are up a little. We had a awful lot of numbers here this morning. The biggest surprise was the saving rate, and I guess it shouldn't really be. I've mentioned this before. The savings rate was up 32%. That's an all-time high. And, if you think about it, there really hasn't been any place to save money. Money's been coming in the form of stimulus and relief and unemployment. So it had to go somewhere, and evidently it was into savings. Personal income and spending came today. Personal income was up 10.5% versus down 6.5% expected. Personal spending, though, was down 13.6%, and it was only expected down 0.03. The trade deficit got a little bit larger, 35.2 billion. And one stock that I mentioned yesterday in the evening letter, ABIO, ARCA Biopharma, which closed yesterday up just short of 400% at around $19 and change. They're in late phase trials for a slightly different way of treating COVID-19. I guess it got carried away with itself yesterday, going to 19 and change, having traded 22, and closed 19 up, as I said, 400%. Today it's down about $5, which is only 5%. Okay, the chart on the screen is the oil, and it looks to me as if the oil is really trying to roll over here. This is our falling 200-day moving average in red. We have crossed the 5 through the 20 and the 50. These seem to be turning up a bit. The 5 has been turned up since, way back here. But we are coming into this important resistance here around $35. Could we come out of the upside here? Absolutely. But I would still only be looking for about $36.50 before we had some sort of pullback. There was a great deal of action in the gold yesterday, which kind of had me stumped a bit. I really wanted to get long, but they sold it off for some unknown reason, since the dollar was also weak yesterday. And usually you get a weak dollar, you get higher gold and oil prices, actually all commodities that are quoted in dollars. As you can see, we rallied up and fell back, but today we have a slightly higher low, and we've made a higher high. The magic number here, I believe, is this 1756 or so, which is the high close in this recovery. So I'm really not quite sure what to do with that. I'm not buying it up $10, but we'll see. In the meantime, the oil is down about 72, as I said, after being down 20. The gold is now up 16, Bitcoin is about unchanged, and the bonds are up 1. So have a good day and a great weekend.